A full-service airline, a joint venture between India's Tata conglomerate and Singapore Airlines, will now navigate India's fiercely competitive market. Vistar, as its Sanskrit name suggests, is banking on a limitless expanse in bridging demand between business and economy travelers.
Headquartered in New Delhi, Vistara will initially operate flights to Mumbai and Ahmedabad. It brings the popular premium economy class back to the domestic airline market. Industry watchers feel frequent flying mid-level professionals will be the most enticed by the options on experience. The strong branding justifying fares higher than those of full-service competitors Jet Airways and state-owned Air India.
People who want to travel in comfort would definitely opt for it. And the number of seats that will be available also in this particular category, I feel it's going to be very, very limited. We were dying to see a full-service airline come into effect, and it's only much relief for the travelers, both on holiday or for professional reasons, people who travel, that you have something like Vistara coming in.
The airline, which promises luxurious premium economy, will operate 87 weekly flights to and from Delhi. It plans to scale up to 300 flights in 4 years. But experts voice caution for Vistara's expansive plans. With high state taxes making jet fuel the costliest in Asia, keeping costs low on the back end and competitive pricing will be fundamental to the bottom line.
Basically, if the consumer gets an air ticket at a cheaper price, then they will certainly go for that cheaper price. Because no flight in India, it will be more than 2.5 hours.
This long-awaited joint venture also plans to tap the international market if the Indian government permits it.